Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a full face of drugstore makeup only, so everything is super affordable. The look is super pretty, it's super natural. Obviously you could change the lip color out if you didn't want to do such a bright lip. You could do a nude or a pink, but if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Consistency of it and like what it looks like, and it's very silicone-y. So I just went off camera and I primed my face with that primer, and for foundation I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 120, but this is a little bit too pink for my skin, but I'm gonna try to make it work. I'm just gonna be using the Fenty Beauty sponge. I was gonna be using the Real Techniques one, but I forgot to pack it with me. I feel like it looks like it's my color. Now this foundation is really pretty. Honestly, like, I really recommend it. I want to get it in another shade. For concealer, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. And you can see like how dewy this foundation is. Like, it's honestly so pretty. I just wish I had it in like a better shade. I'm going to blend this out and then I'm going to do the other half. Set my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder, and I'm going to be using it under my eyes. And I am going to set the rest of my face with that, but I'm going to cream contour first. So I'm going to be taking the NYX Wonder Stick, and I don't know if this is considered drugstore, but it's pretty affordable, so. And I'm going to take the Morphe M439 brush to just blend that in. This brush, it's from the Still Spa Essentials, and I'm just gonna go in with that powder to set the rest of my face. I'm just gonna be taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with this Real Techniques brush. And I'm just going to be going over all the places that I cream contour. so bronzed. Like, I love it. For eyes, I'm just going to be going in with this Quo palette. And you can get this at Shoppers Drug Mart. I don't really see a lot of people talk about it, but it just looks like this. Has a few shades in it. I'm going to be doing a very simple eye look, and I'm going to do a bright red lip. I'm going to take this MAC 142 brush, and I'm going to be taking this one in the crease. Alright. I don't remember this being this pigmented last time I used it. Looks really harsh, but I'm gonna clean it up. And this palette smells so good. It smells like chocolate. I'm gonna take this brush. It's clean. It's from ColourPop. And I'm just gonna blend everything. There, now that that looks much better, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this redder shade and pop it a little bit lower. It just makes the slightest difference because I'm not putting a whole lot, but it just adds like a bit of color to it. And now I'm just gonna go in with the gold shade with this brush. It's from Collections International. I don't even know where you would buy that, but whatever. And I'm just gonna pack it on my lid. And it would definitely be more pigmented if I sprayed it, but I'm not going for a super dramatic eye look, so I'm not gonna spray it. So I applied the gold on this shade off camera. Now for a highlighter, I'm gonna be taking the Physicians Formula highlighter, light bronze pearl, with this Morphe 310 brush. And I'm just gonna... Now this is a very subtle highlighter, so it probably won't pick up because it's super subtle, but it looks really nice in like pictures and stuff like that, so it's like really nice for like if you want like a really natural glowy look. And it's a little bit too dark for my skin, so I'm just gonna take the powder brush and go over it. So I did the lower lash line off camera, and I just used that reddish shade that I used for to deepen up the crease. And I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild Earth palette, and I'm going to take the whitest shade and mix it with this like more champagne-y shade and do that in the inner corner and the brow bone. That's so pretty. Say hi! Say hi! That's my baby. You'll probably see his head pop up again. Baby! My baby! Love you so much. Hi, honey. I curled my lashes off camera, and I'm going to be taking this NYC Big Bold Volume Mascara. I haven't used this in a while, but when I used to use it, I used to love it. So I finished my lashes off camera, and they look super nice and long, so I think I'm gonna do no falsies today. And for lips, I'm gonna be taking this Essence lip in the shade 5, Ready or Not. I was supposed to line my lips first, so I'm gonna go do that now off camera with the ColourPop lip liner in the shade Frenchie. And I don't know if I should apply a gloss. I'm gonna apply a little bit of gloss. It's from Victoria's Secret, so I mean that's affordable, but it's not drugstore, but it's like affordable. I'm gonna apply the teeniest amount right in the center. Like this. And now I'm gonna set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And that's it. This is the finished look. I think it's so pretty. The eyes are super natural. The lip is super bright. It's like super out there, but I think it's so pretty. I would definitely wear this, which I actually am gonna wear this out. And I hope you like this video. So please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video.